Talking about money is harder than doing the actual work. Why is asking for a raise so awkward?
Because most people think they are asking for a favor. But remember, you aren't asking for a gift. You are asking for what you earned.
Welcome back to VividLingo Studio. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Alex. Today we are talking about the most stressful meeting of the year, the salary negotiation.
I've worked so hard this year, and I know I deserve more. But every time I want to ask, I get tongue-tied. I don't want to sound greedy.
Don't worry, Jamie. It's not about being greedy. It's about knowing your value. Today we'll show you 5 simple steps to get the raise you deserve without the awkwardness.
If you want to level up your career and your bank account, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Hi, boss. Can I have more money? Life is expensive, and I'm a good worker. No, that's terrible. I sound like a kid asking for an allowance.
You're right, Jamie. That's because you are talking about your needs, not your results. Bosses pay for results, not for your expensive rent.
I know, but how do I say I'm worth more without sounding like I'm complaining?
It's all about the phrases you use. Here are 5 easy steps to help you stay calm and professional.
I'm taking notes. What's step 1?
Step 1. Start with your wins. Don't just ask for money. Remind them why you are great. Try this. I've been looking back at my work this year, like the 20% growth in our followers. Because I'm doing more now, I'd like to talk about a salary adjustment.
Salary adjustment. That sounds much better than pay raise. Step 2?
Step 2, use the market rate. Make it about the industry, not just you. Try this. I've checked the average salary for my role in this city, and it's a bit higher than what I'm making now. I'd like to bring my pay in line with the market.
That's smart. It's like saying, this is just how the world works. What about my extra hard work?
That's step 3. Highlight your extra duties. Remind them of the things you do that aren't in your contract. Try this. On top of my normal job, I've also been training new staff and fixing technical bugs. This has saved the team a lot of time and money.
Saved time and money. Bosses love that. But what if he says, sorry, Jamie, we have no budget?
Don't panic. Step 4, the future plan. If they say no today, get a promise for tomorrow. Try this. I understand. If a raise isn't possible today, what goals do I need to reach to get a raise in 6 months? Let's make a plan together.
I like that. It shows I'm staying and I'm motivated. And how do I finish the meeting?
Step 5, be thankful but firm. Try this. Thank you for listening to me today. I'll send you a short email to summarize our talk. I'm excited to keep helping the team grow.
I feel so much better. It's not a scary talk. It's just a business talk.
Exactly. You work hard, Jamie. You've earned the right to ask.
Thanks, Alex. If I get the raise, the next 3 coffees are on me.
Aha. I'll remember that. Now, go get them.
See you in the next episode for more ways to speak like a pro.